that and just shoot up, that would be such a good trade because my stop is at 21,000. I'm risking 1.4% for a what, 15% gain? Yep, 15% gain. So give me that one.
A few moments later.
What is going on YouTube? And what happened in the last few days? I'll tell you what happened, but I won't use my words. I'll use my price tool. Woo! Look at this market, guys. Green and green and green. Wow. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here really quick. Let's do a quick update. The count has changed a little bit in this area, but not in this area. So as you can see in my previous video, I said one more low would be perfect. Let us pack our bags and then blast off. And that's exactly what happened. So one thing that did change right here, we had this as a WXY because there was an additional low. This wasn't a three-wave structure anymore for the Y leg. So remember, the Y leg was going to be A, B, C, right? Three-wave structure. So now there was an additional fifth wave. So we just changed that real quick into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect 1.23 touch and moon. And let me tell you guys, this is so important. What happened yesterday, right around these lows? Someone tweeted that USDC was being sued by the SEC. Then that tweet got deleted. Was it FUD? Is it really going to happen? I don't know. I don't care. All I know is there was FUD at the lows. People shorted. The liquidation maps were all shorts. People were shorting thinking we were going to break down. The SEC is coming after everybody's crypto. And then what happened? We mooned, and we are still mooning. Look at that. Holy crap. And you know, SPX is barely moving. DXY is even pumping, and we're mooning. So just keep in mind, guys, when you see like crazy FUD on Twitter, you know, number one, always try to verify. Maybe it's real. I don't know. SEC is crazy. They're corrupt. They do things like that. But don't let it change your TA. The TA is there. The charts are going to tell you what's going to happen. No FUD. During the same Bankman, FTX collapse, the charts said that we were going to move down, and we did move down. Is it because of the FUD or is it because of the chart? It doesn't matter. Just trade the charts, and you're always going to be right. So next quick update is here's how we have it right now. So we have our primary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This primary 3 isn't in yet. We are still building 5-wave structure in the wave 3 of 5 right here. So let's let this develop. Once there is a significant pullback, then we can label this, the top of, the 5th wave of the 3rd wave. Then there's going to be a pullback and then another move up. That'll be the top of the 3rd wave. And then once we have that 3rd wave top in, we'll use our fib retracement tool to eventually gauge, the final 5th wave, where I think the next big trade will be the short coming down. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Basically, if you didn't see the last video, I do recommend to still watch it, but I will just give a brief overview. We believe that this macro count is an ABC flat here. So this 1.23 was calculated by taking a trend-based fib from our A, then our B, our A up, our B down, and now our C. So it's a 3-wave corrective structure like this, and it is valid because we can do our fib retracement here, and we hit flat targets, right? So it is valid, and we missed it on this push, so that's why we did assume that this was the 3rd wave. So now we are building one more high. the divergence when we get up there will probably be huge, because look at this RSI. Remember, this was the highest RSI in like 450 days or something like that. We are not going to break this RSI for probably a while, guys. So look, we're almost at our target and we're so far away from that peak RSI. So this is going to create massive divergence. So what I'm guessing is happening right now is people are starting to FOMO in. We're getting a huge rocket up, and I think we're going to reach this 1.23. We may even go all the way up here, 27.7, if we're extremely bullish, but I have my doubts on that. Our group already TP'd half, and then we moved stop to entry, and now we're waiting for another TP up here. Then we will make our short our primary, but we will hold that long as a hedge in case we do keep going up. So the next trade, once we get these fifth wave targets on the smaller degree, should match this 1.23 right here. And like I said in the last video, we can get matching targets if we do our fib retracement up here. So I'm going to get rid of these two. So these are our short targets right here. 1.23 will be first entry. See how close these match? It's within $300. That's what you really want to see on a fifth wave target. Then next ladder will be up here, and ideally your stop loss can be right here. Now you want to pay attention to the micro fifth waves as well, because these should match, and we shouldn't even like get up here, to be honest. So we should have our stop around this level. It is a big stop, but if this let me slow down for a second. There's two scenarios once we get up here, right? And I mentioned them in the other video. First scenario is that this is the ABC flat that we're talking about, and then we're breaking these lows. That's first scenario. Second scenario is that this whole thing is a separate A wave, then we do a B wave, then we do another C wave. And then last scenario, but it's more unlikely, is that this was Bitcoin bottom. Now we're doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to new all-time highs. That one's less likely, so I didn't really want to mention it, but I will. So if we push up here, this short should yield at least, and let me show you. Let's say we go to this first target. So for a B wave has to be minimum 382 retracement of the entire A wave move, right? So if the entire A wave move stops at 25K, this B wave will go minimum to 21,366, which is a 15% move unleveraged, right? So that's why we have to take this short, even if it's an ABC and we're going to go a lot higher, because we'll know once it gets up here, if it's a, triple wave down, we know that this is corrective and we're going to catch this long. I can bet money on that. We will catch this long. However, if it's impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we start seeing some crazy dumpage like that, we are going to hold this long deep, guys, deep to new lows. So it's I said long, short. We're going to hold this short to new lows. So it's super important that we catch this next trade, especially if you didn't catch this long right here. It wasn't easy long, and let me switch over here. It was posted February 11th, 2023. February 10th, 2023, 1:45 p.m. Long position. And that's when we were down here. So our whole group caught this trade. Check this out, guys. I really want to show you this. This is our post your gains section. So this is where, all the members post all the trades they were in and all their wins. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Everybody is so green. Here's mine right here. CRV, it's over 1,200% now. So check this out. Everybody was winning off this trade. And I can't wait for everybody to post their altcoin trades after this move, because I posted on here as well. I posted on here as well. Right here, XRP trade setup at 36 cents. I posted market buy entry. Now we are at 39 cents, guys. We're at 39 cents. So what is that percentage, guys? 10% unleveraged. I use 30x leverage, guys. That's what is that? 10 times 30. 300% gain, guys. So XRP, while I'm here, I'll just do a quick analysis. I expected to break this high right here, which is 43 cents. So I already took profit on half, and I'm just holding the rest for these higher prices. So really, guys, I'm really happy with how this trade went. You know, this isn't to come on here and brag. It's to come on here and tell you, don't believe the FUD, trade the charts, and find a group of people who are willing to help you and support you in your trading journey. And that's exactly what we're going to do at Counter Trend Capital. We're going to help you enter here. We're going to teach you why we entered here. Full count to support this. We have 5 top traders in the Discord that will help you and tell you why we entered at these prices. Not only that, we have many other really good Elliott Wave chartists in there. We have a few guys learning how to do Elliott Wave theory right now. So if you want to join the Discord, it's still free. It's going to be free till March 1st. Then it'll be paid. So come check it out. We're going to catch this next short up here. I'm providing this info on YouTube, but if you want more in-depth analysis and you want the exact entry price, then come join our Discord. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next one.